In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, Delhi-controlled State Investigation Agency conducted searches today at multiple locations across the Kashmir Valley. The sleuths of SIA, accompanied by the Indian police, raided the residence of Hurriyat activist Muhammad Altaf at Sultanpura village in North Kashmir's Baramulla district. The searches were also underway in Palpura, Parimpura, Noorbagh and Residency Road areas of Srinagar. An Indian policeman died after slipping in the bathroom in Poonch district of Jammu region. Officials said that the policeman, identified as Narendra Sharma, a resident of Rihadi colony of Jammu, was on duty at Kalika Mandir in Chakrara Mandi area in the district. The Jammu and Kashmir Kisan Tehreek held a protest demonstration in Srinagar against the authorities for not taking the necessary measures for the betterment of the fruit growers who are suffering immensely. Several people assembled at the press enclave in Srinagar and raised slogans in favor of their demands and against the authorities for failing to take steps for the uplift of the farmers. The High Court has quashed the illegal detention of 5 persons booked under Draconian Law Public Safety Act. The Court of Justice Moksha Khajuria Kazmi quashed the detention order of Niaz Ahmad Wani, Huzaif Mushtaq Mattu, Maqsood Ahmad Shah and Manzoor Ahmad Mir. The court directed the occupation authorities to release the detainees forthwith. Chairman of Kashmir Europe Council Ali Raza Sayed, talking to journalists in Mirpur after visiting the recently affected areas of line of control, has said that cluster shells fired by the Indian troops on the remote areas of Azad Jammu and Kashmir along the line of control pose serious threat to the civilian population of these areas. President Dr. Arif Alvi has asked the Pakistani missions abroad to sensitize the international community on the urgency to resolve the Kashmir dispute as per the UN Security Council resolutions. The President asked the ambassadors designate to sensitize the leaderships of France and Japan on the urgency to resolve the Kashmir dispute as per the UN Security Council resolutions.